Today, the 16th of December 2022, the Directorate of Horticulture had facilitated the shipment of another 2,000 kgs or 2 metric tons of Khasi Mandarin from Ardong Phlangwar Organic Producer Co-operative Society Limited, Southwest Khasi Hills, to Doha and Bahrain in the United Arab Emirates. The mandarin was purchased and exported by a Dubai-based retail chain, Lulu Group International Headquartered in Abu Dhabi, the capital of the UAE. The Lulu Group operates in 23 countries located across the Middle East, Asia, the USA and Europe. Mr. Ravi Kumar, the General Manager of the Lulu Groups, is their representative who coordinated today's shipment. The flag-off ceremony is organized by the Directorate of Horticulture. Those present during the ceremony included the Director of Horticulture D. Sotun, all officers at the Directorate, while other officers from the department across the districts attended the program virtually. It may be mentioned that on December 1st, 2022, the Directorate of Horticulture Government of Meghalaya, under the Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Regions scheme of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare (NM) Division, in collaboration with the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority or APIDA, flagged off the export of the first consignment of Khasi Mandarin, the GI of Meghalaya. The mandarin was purchased and exported by a Nagpur-based exporter, Praveen Wankade from Universe Export, who also hails from a farmer family, and the trial shipment was sent to Dubai in the UAE. The chief guest felicitated the farmers and members of the Ardong Phlangwar Organic Producer Co-operative Society Limited with a check showing to the amount paid to the farmers for the 2 metric ton consignments taken from them. While addressing the gathering, the chief guest on the occasion, who is also the Director of Horticulture, D. Sotun, said that the government of Meghalaya is nurturing many organic FPCs and FPOs engaged in value chain development and requested the officers and farmers to work harder to increase the per capita income of the farmers.
Lunch ya umiu Khasi Mandarin kadai ka shipment ka baar bangi pha siya po Doha and Bahrain kabandingkong ka shipment kadai na po Jirang organic producer company na po Jirang kani kadai ka second consignment ni ka baar ba ngin pha siya Doha bat siya Bahrain kalong ko ba metric ton Ardong Phlangwar Co-operative Society na Maukurwat Organic Co-operative Society na Maukurwat
Kidon sans pa angot kinong rep hapo changka bat ke area ka baki ki rep kalong sans pa hekta ki buyers ki badai jong kan ka Lulu in groups of international kini kin sa take up na po Mumbai to Doha and Bahrain di halor kan ka bedai patnang ni nakahati memarkin su airlift na kahati sa po Mumbai pade kan semti ka apeda ka bangi na po ka directorate ngile kalongi yarap ya kini kinong rep jongi ke badai na po mau kerwat area ha ka bangin penpoi na po kacaka ka jongki hadu ha po Guwahati mentakasi u Khasi Mandarin hang ni ha po jela jongi ula buon pa tambangi ngi rungim la ban yo ay kata statistics jong u khamtam balik export maximum na u ulet po Bangladesh bad ya kata ngimtep la kidon ne em ki ka ngiyo aching tip ne em ya kata ba ulet udai nang ni na po Meghalaya jongi nang na po Bangladesh kat kum kaching tip ka banga shutip malu mala kalau ulet chebabuan kiri jong ka perthai